News 7x7 is a unique channel dedicated to the news from dairy industry. Every week you receive brief on top 7 dairy news on this YouTube channel from India and abroad. These news could be seen in detail on our channel dairynews7x7.com also. You may write in the comment box on the dairy topics of your interest. We will try to develop news feature on the same. Your constant feedback and patronage to this channel is our source of inspiration. Top 7 dairy news from the week of 22nd November will cover Dr. Kurian's centenary celebration throughout the country on National Milk Day, dairy farmers to get Rs 3 lakh loans on Kisan credit cards, Vidya Dairy's contribution in the making of dairy professionals, Dairy.com to help Indian dairy partners with IT services and intelligence, Britannia's tech-enabled dairy farmer welfare programs, dairy farmers in the dark about herbal remedies to treat cattle, and DMK government decides to include Avin Ghee as Pongal gift hamper. On 26 November 21, the nation celebrated 100th birth anniversary of father of white revolution Dr. Verghese Kurian. The day is celebrated as National Milk Day also. The following insights of Dr. Kurian remains equally important even in today's changing times. Dr. Kurian always believed that our commitment is to more than the bottom line, or rather our bottom line is our people. Value for us is not the dividends paid to stockholders. Value is the quality of life of lakhs of farm families. It is those farm families who have created the first miracle of Indian dairying, transforming a stagnant industry into one that stands poised to take on the world. We must never forget them. The nation is now looking forward to getting Bharat Ratna award to Dr. Kurian in view of his contribution to the country. As per R.S. Sodhi, MD GCMMF, if this happens, then it is not Dr. Kurian who will get the Bharat Ratna, but it will be Bharat Ratna that will be getting Dr. Kurian. Union Minister Parshottam Rupala said the Kisan credit card will be given to dairy farmers as well as enabling them to get loans up to Rs 3 lakh at reduced interest rates from 2 to 4% from NABARD. Speaking at the National Milk Day celebrations in Anand in Gujarat, the Union Minister of Dairying also launched online IVF labs for cattle rearing at Hasarghatta in Karnataka and Dham Road in Gujarat, apart from distributing Gopal Rath awards. Mr. Rupala appreciated the cooperative movement initiated by Dr. Verghese Kurian and also congratulated NDDB and Amul for maintaining the legacy and tradition of cooperatives. Dr. Balyan also reiterated the need for taking the cooperative movement into other states and advocated vocal for local and taking local to global. Despite all the premier establishment in supporting dairy value chain developed by Dr. Kurian, he felt that practicing non-dairy executives and researchers require a detailed understanding of the basic theoretical concepts and practical hands-on feel of dairy processing operations in order to make them team members in solving the rising issues and challenges in the dairy sector. This inspired him to establish 2 institutes for training human resources of the country, the Institute of Rural Management Anand IRMA in 1979 and Vidya Dairy in 1994 to provide hands-on training to B.Tech dairy technology students. Vidya Dairy spreads across 20 acres has been helping students of Shet MC College of Dairy Science Anand to become dairy industry professionals. Vidya Dairy, with annual turnover of Rs 300 crores, stands on the support Shet MC College, GCMMF, Amul and NDDB. US-based Dairy.com, which acquired an Indian SaaS-based startup, Mr. Milkman, recently, plans to work on B2B level in India. It wants to work with Indian dairy industry partners and help them with quality and supply chain management, manufacturing execution systems, dairy farm analytics, etc. with information technology services and intelligence. Dairy.com, with its SaaS-based supply chain model, serves more than 60 Indian dairy brands so far. Going forward, Dairy.com plans to continue operations under the same name with an expansion of its current team. Transportation issues and inadequate cold chain in India means that milk is only consumable for a short amount of time, dramatically shortening the delivery window. With the experience of delivering milk directly to consumers, Mr. Milkman has already been working on managing this issue. Britannia Industries Dairy Farmer Welfare Program is enabling farmers in Maharashtra improve their economic status through increased cattle productivity and incomes. Today, this capacity building program has scaled up to 54 milk collection centers in Maharashtra with a cumulative volume of 53,000 liters per day of milk, benefiting over 2,500 farmers. Farmers were also taught to make silage through available resources such as maize, sorghum, napier, bajra and sugarcane tops. This reduced the cost of silage production of rupees 3 to 3.5 per kg as against the external procurement price of rupees 6.5 to 7 per kg. The farmers were educated about the best calf rearing practices that helped reduce high incidence of mortality and enabled weight gain of calves up to 800 grams per day compared to 300 grams per day before the interventions. Lack of awareness of herbal veterinary medicines, ethno-veterinary medicine or EVM, is forcing farmers to choose costly chemical formulations. For example, simple herbal formulations for mastitis made from aloe vera, turmeric and calcium oxide cost just Rs 40, whereas allopathic medicine costs more than Rs 400. Conditions like wound and inflammation, gastroenteritis, rheumatoid disorders, endo and ectoparasitism, reproductive disorders, mastitis in rural livestock have been successfully treated exclusively with herbal preparations. They were highly effective against foot and mouth disease FMD in 2013. Still, EVM is not included in the curriculum of veterinary science in universities. Many researchers still believe EVM is not mainstream science. Furthermore, it is a matter of choice and farmers often go to chemical formulations for instant and immediate relief for cattle diseases, and some EVM take time for curing the diseases. Dairy farmers are elated at Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's announcement to include Avin ghee in the Pongal gift hamper to be distributed to ration card holders. Welcoming the development, Secretary of Tamil Nadu Milk Producer Welfare Association, M.G. Rajendran said, the announcement has come as a savior for Avin as out of 25 unions, 20 are facing losses. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, for the past 1.5 years, around 5,000 tons of butter has stagnated with Avin. During Deepavali, Avin recorded sales of Rs 83 crore as against the Rs 57 crore it earned last year. Now the order including ghee in the Pongal gift hamper will pave way for melting at least 2,500 tons of butter. The move will help Avin release money to milk producers without any further delay.
Thanks for watching Daily News 7x7 channel with news update from last 7 days. To continue receiving update from this channel, I Kuldeep Sharma request you to subscribe this channel and share and like the video, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.